Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We hope you are doing well and you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you. You guys are the best. Welcome to another episode of the home tour. And today we're going to be looking at a beautiful contemporary home with stylish exterior and interior, courtesy of the 47 Investment Company. So today we're going to be showing you the construction of this beautiful contemporary home from the foundation stage to the now finishing stage. So join us in the tour and watch till the end, and we hope you will like it. We have to appreciate the designing and the planning of this beautiful home by the 47 Investment Company. The 47 Investment Company will plan and design and build you such a beautiful home at an affordable price. Please give them a call and you won't be disappointed. So guys, this is a beautiful 4-bedroom maisonette with a detached servant quarter. For this channel to grow, we are requesting you to like this video, to share, and to leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think about this beautiful home. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Before we even get inside, let's appreciate this stylish exterior and finishing. Shall we go inside now? I'm sure you can wait. As we go through the main entrance, on your right is this family room with big beautiful windows that let a lot of outside light come in, and on your left is this beautiful stairwell. As you go through this door, there's this hallway that leads you to the kitchen and the back of the house, and also leads you to the dining area and also to the living room. So let's go in. So we're gonna tour first this spacious living area that is so spacious, has big windows, beautiful lighting, has a fireplace, has an outdoor place that you can hang out to. It's just amazing. We are now moving into the dining area that's adjacent to the kitchen and across from the living area. It has a wash area and a beautiful basin. We're now in the kitchen, and guys, look how spacious and how big this kitchen is, with beautiful cabinets, double sink, big windows, granite countertops. Just amazing. This kitchen also comes with this walk-in pantry, so spacious with a lot of storage areas. We're now moving to the backyard of this house. It's so spacious, and this is where the detached servant quarter is. Also, the laundry area is also located here and also has a storage room too. Like I told you guys earlier, this servant quarter comes with 2 separate rooms, the laundry area, separate bathroom and a shower, and also has a storage room. So let's go back inside and tour the rest of this beautiful contemporary home. And guys, did I tell you that this house has been designed and built by the 47 Investment Company? If you'd like assistance in such a project, please look no further but the 47 Investment Company. They work with you and make your dream come true. This is the guest bathroom. It's a good use of the space under the stairwell. Can we show you the bedrooms now? We'll start with this guest bedroom. This bedroom is fully ensuite and has a lot of storage areas and is spacious. Next, we're gonna be moving upstairs to the other bedrooms, and before then we're gonna be looking at this beautiful stairwell, beautiful windows, beautiful lighting, just amazing designs. Next to the stairwell is this space that can be used as a game room. It can also be used as an office or just a chill place. It has a balcony which has a good view of the neighborhood and also a good view of the front yard. Moving back inside through this hallway are the other bedrooms. And we're gonna be showing you first the master bedroom. And guys, look how huge this master bedroom is. This master bedroom is fully ensuite with 2 balconies, a walk-in closet, another separate wardrobe. It's just amazing. We are now in the master bedroom's bathroom. Look how stunning it is. The other 2 bedrooms in this house are not fully ensuite. They have these shared bathrooms and a shower. These 2 last bedrooms are almost a mirror of each other, except that one has a balcony while the other one doesn't. But they have enough spaces in the wardrobes, beautiful lighting, big windows, and they're just beautiful designs. Thank you so much for joining us in the tour of this beautiful house. We really appreciate you. Please remember to like, to share, and to leave us a comment down below. We would appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please also consider subscribing. Until next time, as we bring you more content, remember to be kind and generous to the people around you. And also remember to check out the 47 Investment Company. Thank you so much. God bless you.